discussing making money online. The best information is in this video. Do you want more say-so over how you earn an income? Like you, many people want to learn how to be their own boss and love what they do. You can do this by making money online. Times are changing, and there are so many opportunities to do this with the help of the internet. Schedule your time wisely. If you want to make the most money possible, you have to work on a regular basis. You are highly unlikely to experience a sudden windfall of cash. You have to work daily. Try to work at the same time every day. Just an hour daily will add up with the passage of time. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. Are you a grammar nut? Do you understand the nuances of the English language? Consider working as a copy editor. You can get paid to look over videos that were written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and then correcting them. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Flipping domain names can be very popular. This can be a lucrative and almost effortless way to make money, if you have the knack for it. Sure, it takes a small investment, but, like real estate, it can really make you a hefty profit. A site like Google AdSense is a good place to find trending key phrases people search for. Buy domains which can be acronyms. Invest in domains which will pay off in the end. Begin a podcast talking about some of the things that you have interest in. If you get a high following, you may get picked up by a company who will pay you to do a certain amount of sessions per week. This can be something fun and very profitable if you are good at speaking. If you did not know you could make money online before now, you have been missing out. It is time to take control and make your own money online, too. The information given here should get you started. You will be surprised to learn just how many ways you can get started with online money making. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.